morning. Happy Monday. How you guys been? Haven't been here much. Going back to regular scheduled work. Definitely took a lot of time off this summer, which has been great. Very cool. But it's time to kind of start pushing a little bit again. I got a lot of going on. So what's going on here? The brush cutter is still broken. It's not broke. I'm just waiting on hydraulic hoses. O'Reilly, locally, I ordered the spiral, whatever, high pressure hoses. They got the wrong ones, so I had to wait for them to get new ones. No big deal. So they come in tomorrow, and I'm not using it, so it's not whatever. I just don't like broken, unfinished stuff. So that'll be fixed tomorrow night. Bandit. The parts are supposed to be here today. I don't know if they will or not. There's been no communication, no confirmation. Who knows? So I'm really, really hoping that those parts get here today, and I can finish that tonight, because the Bandit is officially going to a new home. It is being sent to California to a good friend who I am really happy he's going to get it. He got it for a very good price. He knows all the nonsense, so I've been very clear about the issues with it to him since I got it. So he wants it. That'd be cool. New machine is coming in. I got a Predator 38RX or 38R. So it's a 26 inch to 39 inch like expandable tracks. 38 horsepower Kohler, same as the Bandit, I believe. Fuel injected, should be the same motor. Remote, push blade, 1,000 pounds heavier. I don't know, we'll see. It's on its way. So that'll be here, I don't know when. I don't know. I'm hoping really soon. I have some jobs for it, so I'm excited to get that thing. What else? 852 and the mini skid are doing good. Everything's good, but that's where we're at. So lots of moving parts. Haven't been working a lot with the grinder, but I guess it's time we get back to it. So I'm starting off. I'm working for Bartlett this morning over in Larkspur, and then I have a job in Castle Rock. So I'm gonna get out there and get started. Hope you guys are doing well. Haven't seen you in a while, sorry, but a lot going on. And family. And really, all I want to do is hang out with family. So, we'll see you in a bit. Let's kick some butt this week. casual little day. Went and did a bit of a bid walk for a big park I'll be at next week, just to confirm where the stumps were, because locates are going to be a little bit of a nightmare. So got that all done, and yeah, it appears I got a package from Bandit, so I guess I'm going to go put that SG40 together so that I can prepare it to go to its new home. And that makes me so freaking happy. Yes. Good little Monday. Knock the dust off. 5 stops tomorrow. Lakewood, Littleton, Arvada. So I will see you guys then. Hope you're having a great day. Have a great week. And have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Later.